If you are an engineering student or an engineer who wants to get a job or stay secure in your career without being worried about AI replacing you, then this video is for you. Because right now, most of the people are using AI in the wrong way. And that mistake is slowly destroying the skills to think like an engineer and ability to solve the problems. Vibe coding, a trending word in current world. Almost every engineer is using AI in their day-to-day life for building applications, generating ideas, debugging code, and completing tasks. And honestly, AI is amazing. It saves time, it helps you to move faster, and also it gives instant results. But there is a darker side to it. A side that is making people lose not only their jobs, but also the ability to think and solve problems on their own. Before AI became common, every feature, every app, every idea started with research, discussion, documentation. Engineers used to spend days thinking and solving that particular problem. And that process built problem solving ability. It built confidence. It built experience. But now everything is fast paced. Instant results, instant dopamine. Now every idea is directly turned into a prompt. People are giving complete control to AI without understanding what they're actually building. And that is where the real problem starts. The most common mistakes with vibe coding are continuous prompting, not reading the output clearly, copy pasting the code blindly, depending completely on AI, never understanding why something works, and panicking when AI gives errors. And when the result is not what they expected, they sit with AI for hours, stuck in a loop, trying random prompts, instead of understanding the actual problem. And this is exactly where the engineers are becoming replaceable. Not because AI is smarter, but because they stopped thinking. If AI can solve the problem and you don't understand the solution, then what value are you bringing in? The danger is not AI. The danger is losing your ability to analyze problems, break down systems, think critically, debug failures, communicate ideas, and make decisions. These are the things that companies actually pay an engineer for, not just writing code. So how should engineers actually use AI? This is the gold mine. First, very simple, write down the problem that you are trying to solve. Don't open any AI tool immediately. Research on your own first. Understand what is the problem and what are we actually solving? Why does it exist? What are the possible ways to solve it? And which solution is best and why? Now try solving it yourself. Even if your solution is imperfect, even if you fail, because that struggle matters. That confusion matters. That debugging matters. This is where the experience is built. Only after that, reach out to AI. And when AI give you code, don't just copy paste it. Read every line. Understand why it was written in this way. Why is this approach is being chosen? What problem it solves? What can break? And what happens at scale? Ask AI questions like, why this approach? Why not another way? And what is happening internally? This is how AI should be used. Not as a replacement for thinking, but a replacement for learning. The engineers who survive this AI era will not be the fastest prompters. They will be the people who understands the problem deeply, solve the problems independently, communicate clearly, debug confidently, and think architecturally. Because companies don't just need code anymore. AI can generate code. Companies need people who can think. If you are an engineering student, please don't skip the journey. Don't skip the struggle. Don't skip learning the fundamentals. Use AI. Absolutely use it. But use it to become stronger. If this video changed the way you think about AI, share it with other engineers as well. Because right now, a lot of people are using AI in a wrong way.